Welcome back. Today I would like to solve the chunk array algorithm. It says that to write a function that splits an array first argument into the groups the length size of the second argument and return them as a two-dimensional array. And the examples we have here is the first argument we have a, b, c, and d, and in the second argument we have 2, which is the size we need to split this array. So the result will give us two sub-array. In the first array we have AB, and in the second array we have CD. So there are two elements in each sub-arrays. And the second element, the array needs to be split by 4. So in each array we need to have 4 elements. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and in the second array we have 4 and 5 because there are only 6 elements. Let's see how we can solve this problem. In order to solve this problem, we need to loop in the first argument, which is the array. The loop will start from the index of 0 up to the length of the array. The length of the array is 4. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we can increment it by 2. The 2 is the size of the that we wanted to split this array. So, and now we will create a new array, and we we copy those elements from the start, which is the start is 0 up to the 2, so that it increments to the 2. So it copies the AB, and then we will put it in the new array. And the second iteration, the I is now 2, so we will copy those elements starting from the index 2. The index 2 is C, and then it is C and D, so we will copy that and then put it in the new array. And in the third iteration, the I is 4, and here the condition, it says that I is less than 4, but 4 is not less than 4, so the loop stops here. Let's see how we can solve this problem in the code. Okay, to solve this problem we will create a function called chunk, for example, and it will take array and the size. Let's create an empty array first. Result empty array, and then we will loop in the array. Let I equal to 0, I less than array dot length, I plus equal to size. So we need to increment by the size whatever the size is, maybe 2 or 3. And now let's say result dot push, and we will slice our array from index of I to size plus I, and finally we can return the result. Return result. Let's test the function. Console.log chunk, and let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and in the second argument we will put the size to split that, for example 2. Now let's test the function. Okay, as we see here we have 5 elements, and when we split the array into the size of 2, it gives us 3 array, and each array we have 2, and since there's only 1 left, we will put that in the new array. Now if we add one more element, like let's say 6, there should be 3 elements in each array. Okay, now if we wanted to put it to the size of 3, now let's see, we only have 2 array. In each array we will have 3 elements. This was the chunk array algorithm. Thank you very much for watching.